What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As always, a huge thanks for coming back. So first of all, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all are having a great time with your family, eating some good old turkey, a good meal. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little bit short. More than anything, it's just an update video. I know that I've been long. I know that I've been gone for a long time. So I want to show you guys a few things, starting with the single cab. As you can see, it is finally out of the garage, and it's pretty much done except a few little things. Let's go look at it. So look how good this thing looks. Like, I absolutely love the look of this truck. Even though it's like two different colors, like I just love it. I guess it's just because it's my baby. Anyways, check this out. We've got our coil buckets done. They're installed. They're looking freaking good. I just love the way they fit. As you can see, they're nice and straight. Same for this angle. They're nice and straight. And we also have our radius arm brackets installed, as well as the parts that we already had. So these things are pretty much done. The only problem is that we only have the driver's side on. As you can see, we still have the passenger side stuff, the OA plus, and I guess that's a good comparison. You can see it's kind of hard to see in the video, but these angle back a lot more than the ones I made, and they also angle in a lot more. As you can see, mine are a lot more level. It's kind of really hard to see through the video, but trust me, they are. I've checked. But yeah, I absolutely love the way they look, the way they fit. I think I told you guys in the last video, but I had to move them forward just to clear all of this stuff. As you can see, they used to sit somewhere like right there, and we moved them. We angled that in. We have plenty of clearance for that hole for your brake line to go through. We're not squishing it. It sits nice and flush, and I just love the way they look. I really do love the way they look. I'm really happy with them. I'm still gonna make a few adjustments to them, but it's all minor stuff. Now, the crew cab OBS. This thing, honestly, I haven't done anything to it at all. I was trying to add Bluetooth to it, to the stock radio, using one of these things, but it didn't work out for me at all. You know me, wiring, electrical stuff, we don't really mix at all. And I wasn't able to figure it out. Sort of broke the radio a little bit, but it's okay. I guess we'll just go with an actual Bluetooth head unit, something more modern. I was really trying to go for a more of an original look with it, but oh well. But I do have a few more things coming for that thing that I want to do. And the last thing I want to talk about is in the garage. Like I said, I took the truck out because I needed the garage space for Black Friday through Cyber Monday deals that we've got coming. So I had to take the truck out, clean up in here because it was a mess, even though it looks like a mess again. I've been working a lot. As you can see, we've got a lot of bumper brackets being made. I've got some, those are cut. These are already all nice and welded. These are all cleaned up. These are the regular 17s. These are the HDs. And then we've got some track bar brackets that we're making, as well as sway bar brackets. I still gotta clean these up and make them. No, those things are a pain to make. But at the end, I really love the process. And I'm really hoping that starting next year, like I said, I've been searching for a shop. And as soon as I get a shop, I'm gonna get a lot of equipment that's hopefully gonna make doing all this stuff a lot easier. But anyways, the reason why I'm showing you all of this is because I wanted to make this video on Wednesday before Thanksgiving, because I think last year I made this video on Thanksgiving and nobody watched it because obviously everyone's with their family having a good time eating. So I want to let you guys know that this Black Friday through Cyber Monday, everything on the store is going to be up to 25% off. So all your bumper brackets, your track bar brackets, your sway bar brackets, everything's going to be on sale. So make sure you go to blowingdiesel.com. You don't have to type in any codes or anything. Everything's gonna be already on sale. It's gonna have the sale price already on the store, so you don't have to do anything. And yeah, that's just, I always love doing this sale at the end of the year. It's by far the busiest time of the year for me, so hopefully this gives me a little bit of a head start. Like I said, I still have a few more cut there. I already ran out of material, so once I have all of those cut, I'm gonna have to go back on probably Monday to get more steel so that I can keep making more things. But like I said, hopefully this will get me through the weekend, which I guess I can't really ship anything until Monday anyway. So again, guys, don't forget, go to blowingdiesel.com. Everything will already be on sale. No codes needed. And more than anything, I want to give you guys a huge thanks for giving me the opportunity to do and live my dream. And we're just getting started, guys, for reals. I have so many things that I want to do to these trucks that I have in mind for the channel, for the brand, for the store. And there's just a lot of stuff in the background that I've been trying to do that's been taking time from doing this. But hopefully once all of this Black Friday, Cyber Monday stuff is out of the way, we're gonna get back to the OBS, get that kit completely dialed in, and have it on the store. I know that we had talked about trying to get the kit ready for this weekend so I can get it out to you guys. Unfortunately, that wasn't possible, but I promise though that once it is for sale, the first few customers that buy it will get it at a discount. I think that was enough talking. Like I said, it was just supposed to be a small update video. But anyways, again, don't forget to go to blowingdiesel.com, get your stuff. Everything, I'm gonna do my best, depending on how big of a weekend we have in sales. I'm gonna try my best to get everything out this coming week. Now, that's another thing. I can't promise shipping because shipping during this time gets crazy. Usually it's like 2-3 day shipping, but like last year, some things took over 2 weeks to ship just because like the post office is super busy, but it shouldn't be any more than like 2 weeks. But like I said, I'll try and ship everything this coming week. Most things, like I said, most bumper brackets and stuff like that should be able to ship on Monday. I think that's when they open the post office again. So they should all be able to ship on Monday, hopefully. That's what I'm trying to get ready right now. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, leave any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.